Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 17, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within the lower section of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This could present a favorable buying opportunity. If the support level at $228.60 is breached, it may indicate a slowing upward momentum and could serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend shift. Regarding the 3-month trend, projections indicate a potential change of approximately 8.55% over this period, with expected returns ranging between 7.9% and 24.51%. In terms of the 12-month trend, forecasts suggest a change of about 43.27% within the next year, with potential returns between 39.72% and 64.13%. This would correspond to a price range between $321.33 and $377.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Apple stock price increased by approximately 0.75% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 17th of January, rising from $228.26 to $229.98. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.67%, with a low of $228.48 and a high of $232.29. The stock has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, totaling a decrease of 5.69% for this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 67 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $15.501 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the forthcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the stock price sits 11.58%, or $30.11, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is showing promising signs as we enter the new year. Bernstein analyst Tony Sacconaghi has projected a strong upcoming iPhone cycle, which could significantly bolster sales. This positive outlook aligns with sentiments from Evercore ISI's Amit Daryanani, who believes in a potential rebound for the company's stock following recent slowdowns in emerging markets. Moreover, discussions surrounding Apple's technical levels suggest that this could be an opportune moment for investors to consider buying on the dip. Kevin Simpson from Capital Wealth Planning recently announced his decision to purchase Apple shares, further demonstrating confidence among market analysts. However, Apple also faces challenges. A looming ban on TikTok is raising concerns, as it threatens to impact revenues for Apple and other App Store operators. Despite this, market strategist Kenny Polcari emphasizes that concerns over sales in China should be viewed with a long-term perspective, as market reactions may be overblown. Amid these developments, the broader economic landscape appears supportive, with strong housing market data and positive momentum in major indexes, potentially lifting investor sentiment towards Apple. In the short term, we can expect fluctuations based on these mixed signals, while in the long term, strong product performance and strategic positioning could enhance Apple's growth potential and stock valuation. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. a underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, MoffettNathanson reported a sell rating for Apple Inc. with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Bernstein gave Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, Daiwa assigned Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, Evercore ISI reported an outperform rating for Apple Inc. with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.75%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor this stock closely. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Apple stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $234.76 and $244.60. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 167 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.26. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.81, which represents 1.67%. In the last week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively normal PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $232.87. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a critical level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.26. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January, in the year 2025, Parek Kevan executed an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock units. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. carried out an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. also conducted an insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. further sold 42,939 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. completed another insider sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 27.867. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.52, representing a decline of 5.85%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over a period of 14 days, stands at 18, which somewhat mitigates this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate position while we monitor further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 21st of January, we anticipate Apple will open up 270 cents and begin trading at $230.25. It is essential to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.